Hello everyone, today we are going to start with a new topic, Unit 8. We are almost finishing the book. We only have to learn Unit 8, Unit 9, and then it's over. So I want energy, I want you to be energetic. Let's start with Unit 8. So please open your books, page, let me check, page 112. Electricity and magnetism. Read and discover. We are going to start with a new topic of Unit 8. Let's read in page 100 and page 112.
Electricity and magnetism are two different phenomena that are present in nature. Electricity is the flow of charged particles, and magnetism is the force of attraction or repulsion between objects. In the past, scientists were aware of electricity and magnetism. However, it was not until the 19th century that they realized there was a close relationship between these two things. They also discovered that it was possible to create a magnetic field using an electrical current. The interaction of these forces is called electromagnetism. What are electromagnets?
Electricidad y magnetismo son dos cosas diferentes que están presentes en la naturaleza. La electricidad es el flujo de cargas de partículas que están con carga, ¿de acuerdo? Y que van en movimiento. Eso es la electricidad. Y el magnetismo es la fuerza de atracción o de repulsión de un objeto, como cuando tenemos imanes. En el pasado, los científicos ya sabían que había electricidad y magnetismo. Sin embargo, no fue hasta el siglo XIX que los científicos descubrieron que había una relación entre ellos, que estaban conectados la electricidad y el magnetismo. Y también descubrieron los científicos que eran capaces de crear un campo magnético a través de una corriente eléctrica, electrical current. Y también descubrieron los científicos que se podía crear un campo magnético para atraer o repeler objetos. Se podía crear un campo magnético usando una corriente eléctrica. ¿Vale? Usando electricidad, una corriente eléctrica, se podía crear un campo magnético que atrae o repulse objetos. La interacción de estas dos fuerzas, electricidad y magnetismo, se conoce como electromagnetismo. Y el texto deja una última pregunta, que es: ¿qué son los electroimanes? ¿Qué son los electroimanes? Pues bien, un electroimán es un imán que nosotros creamos gracias a la corriente eléctrica y creamos ese campo magnético. Entonces, nosotros conseguimos que eso sea un imán por la corriente que le metemos, pero si no le metemos corriente, dejaría de ser un imán. ¿De acuerdo? Por ejemplo, el imán que tenemos en la nevera, no necesitamos meterle corriente, es un imán, ¿vale? Entonces ese no es un electroimán, es un imán. Pero electroimán es que funciona como un imán cuando le metemos corriente. ¿Queda claro?
Benjamin Franklin was one of the most important figures in the American struggle for independence in the 18th century. He was famous for his writings on politics and science. He was also an inventor and a social activist. He founded the first public library in the United States, signed the Declaration of Independence, held numerous civic posts, including United States Ambassador to France and Sweden, and conducted scientific research into electricity. In Franklin's most famous experiment, he proposed that lightning was in fact electricity. To prove his theory, he flew a kite into an electric storm cloud. Franklin made sure he was well insulated, as, if he was correct, the electricity from the storm would have killed him. The end of the string was connected to a Leyden jar, which was a device used to store electricity. During the storm, the kite became charged with electricity, which was passed down the Leyden jar, which in turn became charged. Franklin was proved right. He then used this theory to invent the lightning rod, which protects buildings from lightning strikes. Hans Christian Ørsted was a Danish scientist who first discovered the relationship between electricity and magnetism. He became a professor at the University of Copenhagen in 1806 and soon developed an extensive physics and chemistry program. It was at this time that he began researching the connection between electricity and magnetism. He discovered that an electrical current produces a magnetic field. This led to the development of electromagnets, which are now used in many objects, from headphones to scanners in hospitals. Ørsted was only 43 when he made his discovery. He was awarded numerous prizes and went on to create the Danish Royal Polytechnic Institute, where he served as director. The measure of magnetic strength, the Ørsted, is named after him.